Congratulations! Now that you've achieved the desired shade of blonde, let's go over how to maintain it. At Zotos Professional, we're all about making hair dreams come true every day. And that means you can count on us to keep your blonde looking bright and beautiful. Our Ultra Bond hair care line featuring number 1 cleanse, number 2 condition, number 2 plus deep treatment, and our Overnight R&R Leave-in Treatment is proven to help strengthen and protect your hair with a built-in bonding treatment. And for color maintenance, use our Ultra Bond Purple Shampoo and Conditioner to protect your blonde hair while neutralizing your unwanted warm tones. Want to incorporate Ultra Bond into your routine? Easy. Here are a few tips. On hair coloring days, follow number 1 cleanse with number 2 plus deep treatment to add additional moisture. When your hair is feeling a bit dry, replace number 2 conditioner with number 2 plus deep treatment to give an extra moisture boost. Ultra Bond Overnight Treatment nourishes and strengthens hair while you sleep. Apply Ultra Bond Overnight Treatment with built-in bonding before bed and wake up to touchable, soft, silky, smooth, shiny looking hair. Absorbs quickly for a lightweight feeling. Before spending time in the sun, protect your blonde by applying our Overnight R&R Leave-in Treatment. Purple shampoo and conditioner work wonders for gray hair too, especially if you have more white strands. Keep those white hairs bright and shiny. Thanks for choosing Zotos for your hair lightening journey.